to puff.
And if it's raining, then cherries tend to crack.
An injection of pure water is dangerous to humans. Have we ever asked why is that?
Yes, we have. And this phenomenon is called osmosis. And osmosis is the movement of molecules through the semi-permeable membrane from the less concentrated solution to higher concentrated solution. And today we are going to show you some experiments about that. So now we are doing our first experiment, and for that you need slices of potatoes, usual potatoes, and 3 tubes of solution, and it's sugar solution, but the concentration is different. So, and before you put potato slices in, you have to weigh them. It's very important. And you have to do it after as well, because you compare the weight later. So you can put the first one in, and it's this concentration of sugar here is 0, so it means it's the ionized solution. Second one is lower concentration solution. You will not see nothing at the beginning. We have to wait 30 minutes, and then we weigh them, and then we can see difference, not visually but in results. So after 30 minutes, what do you see? Which potato has the smallest mass change?
Why do you think that happened?
And second thing, if you take them out, which potato is the most flexible?
Can you explain? In the second experiment, we are going to observe the osmosis in the onion cells.
Yes, and we can see, does it work on a single cell? So for that we need to extract from onion very thin layer, and we have to divide it into 2 parts, and to one slice or layer we add salt solution, and then we can see what happens.
Why in the second preparation the cell membrane is separated from the cell wall?
Can you explain? I'm Lina.
I'm Maiju.
Thank you for watching.